Microsoft has developed a new product that for the first time democratizes machine learning and makes it accessible to every user in your organization. The product is Python in Excel. Now, you might say that your organization already builds machine learning models. Perhaps you've already made the transition to predictive analytics. So why is this important? Today, you will likely need to employ an expert to undertake this kind of work. And because only a few individuals in your organization are able to build these models, the cost of doing so will limit the extent to which these models are embedded in your organization. It will be too expensive to employ a specialist to develop a machine learning model to support every type of data-driven decision. Tomorrow, this will change. Python in Excel opens the door to embed machine learning at every level of decision-making for every level of decision maker. This has the potential to drive your organization forward much faster than simply being reliant on a few skilled machine learning engineers. Let's take a closer look together at what is Python in Excel, why it's such a game-changing moment, and how to overcome the hurdles you're inevitably going to encounter as you roll out this technology across your business. Python is the most popular programming language in the world and is especially favored by data practitioners for its extensive library of machine learning functions. It's now possible to access all of these functions natively inside Microsoft Excel. There's nothing to set up, no separate IDE to use, and no plugins to install. Every Excel user has immediate access to machine learning functions inside a familiar data environment. To understand why this is such a game changer, we need to consider how machine learning will change the way we make decisions. Let's take an example. If your department is looking to allocate its marketing spend for the next financial year, you might want to know which marketing channels have generated the most customers and the most revenue. So you might ask a data practitioner to build a dashboard with the relevant insights. Intuitively, you're trying to detect patterns from historical data that you're seeing on the dashboard. You're trying to learn from these patterns, and then you're trying to imagine what might happen if these patterns continued into the future. But the dashboards don't provide predictions about tomorrow. For this, you'll need to use your hunch, your own gut feelings. As a human being, you're looking to learn from the past so you can make decisions for the future. Machine learning tries to do with computers what your human brain does naturally, but computers have significant advantages. They can crunch a larger amount of data in multiple dimensions beyond the capability of your imagination. Computers can detect and learn complex patterns. Computers can convert a hunch and a gut feeling into numerical values, giving you the benefit of objectivity and accountability in your decision-making process. By letting your machine do the learning, we will fundamentally change how decisions are made. The dashboard of the future will not only visualize your data, but will also serve you a menu of recommended decisions. Now, as we mentioned at the beginning, perhaps you're already doing this. Perhaps you already have such a dashboard in place. The important point to stress is that Python in Excel democratizes machine learning. Today, most of the data users in your organization, including your Excel users, are unlikely to have access to ML tools. Tomorrow, all users will have as easy access to ML as they do now with Excel. The opportunity to build machine learning analytics will no longer be in the hands of a few experts, but accessible to the many. Tomorrow, ML will be as standard a tool as are pivot tables today. Let me address the most significant hurdle you're likely to encounter. Every organization will need to upskill its Excel users. However, the first learning steps with anything new are often the most daunting. For this reason, we've created this guidance document that you can obtain from our store. The document covers the very basics of Python and machine learning and discusses the importance of democratizing ML. Importantly, this lays the foundation for you to further engage successfully with Python in Excel. I would suggest distributing this document to all users in your organization. If you would like further assistance in rolling out this technology to your teams, please get in touch. And do stay connected to our channel for further guidance and updates.